Take out door parts and prepare tools nearby the door area. Double-check door opening size with tape. Make sure it is the right door. Assemble 2 side rails with seal rubber on the ground. Mark a point 8 cm from wall opening at each side. Fix 2 side rails on the marked points. Adjust vertical with laser level machine. Mark a point 70 cm above wall opening and fix big brackets top edge on this point. Install top beam onto big brackets. Assemble top spring, brackets, and rope wheels onto drive bar on the ground. Then install it onto top beam. Install motor onto drive bar with motor brackets. Then install anchor at each side of drive bar to secure drive bar. Assemble bottom door panel on the ground, including bottom seal rubber, bottom safety edge sensor, handle and 2 side drop protection device, side hinges and middle hinges. Note that protuberant edge of door panel is up direction. Put bottom door panel into door hole with 2 side wheels into side rails. Assemble and install other door panels one by one from bottom to top. Move rope wheels to make its outer edge same line with guide rail. Then fix rope wheel with screws and keys onto drive bar. Insert 2 same length steel ropes into rope wheels and put it down and backward of bottom drop protection device. Then get it through rope adjusting screw hole. Make sure 2 side ropes in same length. Install control panel at 1.2 meter height. Adjust spring tension by cycles numbered on spring label. Then insert spring key and motor key into drive bars. Check horizontal of door panel and adjust its level with bottom rope adjusting screws. Connect motor and safety edge sensor with control panel as wiring diagram. Test running for several cycles to check no big noise and friction.